Today I've picked the kitchen utensil drawer to show how to purge a drawer properly. And the first thing I did was remove everything out of the drawer, and now I'm going to clean the drawer and then measure the space to make sure this new drawer insert is the perfect thing for this drawer. The next thing I always do is measure the space. You want to make sure you're buying the insert that will fit the drawer properly. So I measure the width, the depth, and the height. Some of them come expandable, some you can build upon, so it just depends what your drawer needs. This bamboo one actually fits this drawer perfectly, almost like it was made for it. So now we have the task of putting everything back in, and only putting back in what you really need and use and is in good shape. And here's the finished product. All the silverware has its own place, and it's sorted and neat and organized. So if you need more tips, go to neatlydesign.com.